Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we're going to walk you through the super simple process of creating an optimized business listing right here on locally owned the small business directory. Let's get started. To get to the directory, search locally own the SBD on Google or go to the website directly at locallyownthesbd.com. Now you are on the directory homepage. The first thing to do is look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Login. Once you've given that a click, a little box will pop up. Here, you've got a couple of easy options. You can either hit Continue with Google for a quick login or click Register if you prefer to use a different username, email address, and password. Whichever works best for you. All right, so once you're logged in and ready to move on, head back up to that top right corner one more time and click on Add Listing. After you click Add Listing, you'll land on a new page with two fantastic choices for showcasing your business. The first option is our free basic package. We created this to make sure that new small businesses or those with smaller marketing budgets still have a great opportunity to get their name out there. And get this, our free package actually comes with more features than Yelp's free offering. Plus, we don't charge you $1 a day just to add your business logo, and it includes more detailed information about your business than your local chamber's paid option. Some of the great features you'll find in our free package include eligibility for private messages, and you'll get an email notification if you receive one, your listing title, a full description, your location and Google Maps directions, your business's region, a catchy tagline, any amenities you offer, your business listing category, the ability to show off your products, services, or even a menu, a booking link if you use a service like Calendly or have one on your website, a detailed business description, your opening hours, a main image, your logo, an embeddable YouTube video, your phone number and/or WhatsApp, website, links to your social media networks, and even alternative links to other directories, chamber pages, articles you're featured in, or anywhere else your business has an online presence. It's packed with value. Now, the second option is our membership package, which is available for $362 annually or just about $1 a day. And hey, your birthday, Christmas Day, and your business's opening day are on us. Plus, if you sign up today, you receive 5 years for the price of one. With our membership, you get access to all the incredible features in the free package, plus even more. This includes the ability to add more photos, a virtual tour of your business, and the option to show and sell your products or services. Currently, there's a small 7% fee for sales, but we're actively working on lowering that cost for you. As a member, you'll also get to vote on our charity donations. 5% of income goes directly to causes chosen by our members. We'll share your business on our social media channels, give you a follow, and interact with your content. And you'll even receive a tailored article about your small business on sbnews.com. Plus, this member package gives you exclusive access to exciting new features we're currently developing, from displaying reviews from various online platforms to QR-coded, branded, apparel and marketing materials, and much more. Setting up your business's presence in our directory is really straightforward, and please know that we're here to help if you have any questions along the way. And as a special bonus for all our members, we'll also add up to 10 relevant keywords or phrases to your business profile behind the scenes. This will really help boost your search engine results and make it easier for customers to find you. Finally, if you'd like to save some time or just prefer a professional touch, for an extra $100, our team can build your locally owned SBD listing for you. We'll create a professionally optimized listing in-house, and we ensure that a fantastic 80% of that cost goes directly to the talented creator who builds your listing. So they're well compensated for their time and effort in making your business shine. So there you have it. Creating a powerful listing on locally owned is easy and full of opportunities to connect with your community. We can't wait to see your business thrive. Our moderators will have to approve your small business listing and confirm you are a legitimate small business for the safety of supporters and the legitimacy of the directory. shopping small, supporting local for stronger communities.